What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this video on Assemble Protocol or the ASM token. And it's been a long time. You might recognize me from back in the days because I used to cover ASM a lot. I also bought into this back in the days, back in October. I bought into this at this dip here at 7.5 and then I sold quite a lot. Or I sold my initial investment here at the top, and then I held some, and what I held I sold somewhere, I think right here, when I got off of Coinbase, because I don't use Coinbase as an exchange anymore, so I got everything off, and with doing that I sold it. I thought, you know, if I'm going to buy it again, because I do think Assemble Protocol has a valuable value proposition and project, then I'll do it at the beginning of next bull market or something. So I don't hold it anymore. I have held it for a long time. As you can see, we're pretty bullish over the last 24 hours. I'm pretty late too, so sorry for that, but I saw this quite late yesterday. So yeah, volume up over 30 million. So it's great for all the holders. My analysis you might not like as much, but I did feel like I had to analyze it again. Yeah, as I said, I analyzed it a lot. If we take a look at it. It's, you know, this is just fun to look up. Yeah, those old thumbnails still 9 months ago got quite a lot of views when it got listed on Coinbase. First off, all right, doesn't matter. Let's get into the analysis. So ASM Protocol is a Korean project, and there's a lot of Korean volume going in right now. Also some from Coinbase. I mean, over 10 million, so it's not nothing. But a lot of coins have this, is that when there's a lot of volume coming from BitThumb in the Korean won, usually that happens with a bull run like this, that the volume spikes up to a crazy amount, and usually when that happens, the bull run doesn't stick. Apart from that, so that's one of the reasons why I don't think this will stick for ASM, even though I think it's a great project. Apart from that, we also just hit a very strong resistance level. Here, this around 4.5 cents is a very strong resistance level, but we also touched that 5 cent level, at least on Coinbase, which is a very strong psychological resistance level. So technically and fundamentally, I think we have hit our top. So what I expect now, and what we've already been doing, is and ASM actually was pretty strong. I mean, as you can see, we touched this level around 4.5 cents 3 times, but now we're dropping. We didn't find any support at this 50 cent or at this 0.5 fib level, nothing at 0.618, or a little bit it looks like. So I expect us to find some support here between 3.5 cents and at 618 fib, as you can see. But I don't expect that that's going to be much. We might find some support, but afterwards I think we'll drop down to this level right here. Between, and I should expand this a little bit more, between 3 cents and 2.5 cents. All right, that's the strongest key area. Below us, I think we're going to drop down there and basically continue what we have been doing. So not moving a lot. All right, I think the volume is going to drop down again. So we might have some more volatility at first. I also expect some sort of a fake bull run again from that level. That usually happens after a bull run like this. Is that we have a smaller bull run going up to perhaps like 4 cents or 3.5 cents, and that after that we'll just drop lower towards, I don't know, 2 cents. I mean, I think we'll drop down to 2 cents within the next months. All right, we are still in the bear market, you should acknowledge that. But for now, as I said, I expect us to find some support here at 618, then drop down between 2.5 cents and 3 cents, consolidate within that level, have a fake bull run kind of to trap some people in, and then after that drop down further within the weeks after that. So unfortunately my analysis on ASM is not that positive, but it was great to see it again. And as I said, if this has sparked your attention, definitely check out the project, because I do think that there's a lot of potential in the project. So yeah, that's basically my analysis for now. So if you do have any questions about it, please let me know down in the comments. But for now, I also would like to thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.